Good morning and welcome back. Today's LeetCode 75 problem is combination sum 3. So we need to find all valid combinations of k numbers that sum up to n such that the following conditions are true. Numbers 1 through 9 are used. Only numbers 1 through 9 are used in K. Each number is used at most once. Return a list of all valid combinations. The list may not contain the same combination twice. Combinations must be returned in any order. Okay, so we'll go with, let's see, so ask questions. I'm not sure this only numbers 1 through 9. Constraints, k will be 2 through 9. N will be 1 through 60. So there's up to 9. Could be a list of 9 numbers, which would be 9 numbers of 1 through 9 would be 55. Something like that. 60 is too high in any case. Okay, let's see. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 45. Yeah, 60 is too high. You can't do anything with that. Constraints. 2 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 9. And 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 60. Edge cases. Let's see. So if it's greater than 45 and greater than 45 equals null set. And okay, so if k equals 4, then the smallest number it can make is 10. Since 10 is greater than n, there are no valid combinations. So if the min set is less than n, then we get empty set. Okay, so I'll start off with a number line. And I'll create the min set. So for n equals 4, I'm going to create a 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if I'm going for, if k equals 4, and let's say n equals 15, then I'll use this x, and then 1, 2, 3, 5 is also x. 1, 2, 3, 6. Etc. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3 is 6. So once I get to 1, 2, 3, 9, that'll be a check. Now, what I need to do from here is adjust the middle numbers until I get the various combinations that are possible. What if I do a tree? So I'll go 1 comma dot dot dot, and then dot 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 comma 2 comma dot 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 3 dot dot dot, etc. And then dot 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 2 dot 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 3 comma dot dot dot. And dot 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 comma dot dot dot. So that goes there. There and there. There, 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 and there. And if the sum is we keep going until length equals n, then we check the sum. But if I'm tracking the sum all along, then I wouldn't have to do that. So that's where we're at. So what I'll need is a number line, and then I'll need an answer. I need a number line, an answer set and a current set, a current combo. And I need to track depth and the sum. Okay. Got my cases, got my edge cases, constraints and edge cases. Okay. So answer equals empty set. And I probably don't need a number line actually. With the way I'm thinking of doing this recursively, I just track the current number. Yeah, that's it. I need a current digit current digit equals 1. I'll always start there. I don't think I need to initialize that here though. Okay. So answer set, and I don't need to initialize that here. Okay. So now I want a helper function that's going to do def seek what do I want to seek combo, and we're going to pass in here. Oh, we don't need to pass anything because it's a sub function. So this is where I want to initialize current digit, not digit, just current number equals 0, and now I would need to initialize that stuff here. Current num equals 0. Depth equals 0. Sum equals current sum equals 0. Okay, so when I seek a combo, going to do current depth plus equals 1. And then current num plus equals 1. current sum plus equals current num. Okay, so if the current sum is equal to n, hold on, if current depth equals k, return. So if current sum is equal to n, then that's a good one. And I'm going to add the current number to the combo. Python, is it combo.append? Python x equals x dot append okay, combo dot append current num answer dot append combo actually what if I do combo plus current num. That way I don't have to edit combo and I just return from here. Okay, and then if current sum is greater than n, return. I have to I need to make sure that okay, how about this stuff only changes when I need to call seek combo. So we're going to do okay, its current depth is K. I should be able to handle it before that, before it comes to that. Current number, current depth, current sum, current sum is greater than no, the current sum is 0. So what I need to do here is create append the first item to combo. So we'll do combo dot append current number current sum plus equals current number. And then from there, if the current sum is greater, actually I want to kill that. Current sum plus current num is greater than n, should be able to tell right from the beginning that n is too big, too low for k, for example here. The reason for that is that 4 plus 1 is 5 times 2 . So the reason for that, okay, so there's a success. That's what I should get. And then oh, I need to pop. I need to pop. How do I pop? Where do I pop rather? This is a problem. I need to, well, current number is less than 9. Depth is greater than 1. Then I want to do another seek combo, otherwise. Yeah, why is it going to the third row? Let's see, so after I finish here, answer.append, and then print return combo. Return 1, 2, so combo 1, 2, num3 sum 4. How did I get sum 4? I need to reduce the sum. Sum 7. Num1 sum 1. Num2 sum 3. Yeah, that's right. Num3 sum 6. Num4 sum 7. And then num3 should be sum 5. And that's because I was at sum 3. For some reason, the sum is going back incorrect. So I'm returning 1, 2, sum 7. And what happens, print seeked combo current sum okay, after I return, yeah, that's correct. But what's my current num? It's 2, isn't it? Yeah. this might just be current sum minus equals 1. How about that? Ah. No? Okay. That worked. Num3. Oh, wait. The sum num3 with num3, the sum should be 4. No. So the problem is I'm going back to I should be going back to 1, not back to 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to finish this troubleshooting offline. Alright guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. I found out that the problem was I was going into negative depth territory. So I had to check if current sum is n and current depth is 1, then go ahead and do it. I also had to pop off the most recent appended after seeking the next combo. But now that's all done, and I've got a beats 100%, so hoorah!